Hello team, how you doing? So I'm in Simpleswap. If you ever want to know how to move money, what Simpleswap is, I'll show you. Simpleswap is where you can move Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or any of these coin, 1 inch AV. You can move it and get whatever coin you want. You could get Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. So you get any coin. So I have DAI and I want Solana. So I want to send eventually $50,000 worth of DAI and get $50,000 worth of Solana. But I will start small. I will do it 10,000 at a time because I don't want anything to happen with the transaction. So wherever you want your Solana to go, you put your Solana address here, okay? Into the recipient Solana address. I'm gonna do it real fast, okay? So I want 10,000, I wanna send 10,000 DAI to get 55 worth of Solana, okay? Okay, so now it says send your DAI to this address. So I gotta send my DAI to this address. So I'm going to go to my MetaMask and I'm going to click my DAI. And then now I'm going to send 10,000 DAI to that address. Next, 10,000. Okay? So now I press go. Now my Solana is going to appear, my Solana is going to appear in my Phantom wallet. And then from my Phantom wallet, I'm going to buy a new coin that's called Cyclos, okay? Let me see if I can show you that new coin that's called Cyclos by going to CoinMarketCap and then enter Cyclos. So I'm going to buy this new coin, okay? Now I'm going to put 10,000 in this coin and try to put up to $50,000, but it might take me 7 days to do it, okay? Because I want to get in right. So Cyclos, if you see, within 24 hours, 22%, 7 days, 70%. But I'll show you the statistics. So let me show you something. Okay, all right, 1 year. So let me show you. It's not pulling like I wanted to see it, but it works. So Cyclos, right now it's at 2.911. The all-time high was at 6.880, and right now it's at 5.774, basically $5.77, and it was at 688. Now it's a new, very, very new coin. It's been here for just a couple of days. If you look, you'll see here, if I do 90 days, you'll see it still say September 9th is when it came, and right now we're September 12th, okay? So it's fairly new, okay? That's why the number says 2,702 plays. But you wanna know what it is. So let me show you what it is. Let's go to the website. So this is the website. I click here, Cyclos, I click here, and now you'll see what it is. It's an automatic money maker. So watch this, I click trade now. It launches, it says connect my wallet. I'm not gonna connect my wallet because that's not important, but I wanna show you what it is. It's an automatic money maker in the Solana network, okay? All right, so it's fairly new. I want to put money in it. I want to eventually put $50,000 in it. My name is Romeo the Professor. You can follow, share, subscribe. So it's a decentralized trading unleashed, the only concentrated liquidity market maker on Solana, and everybody know I love market makers. It's a Serum order book. It's backed by CMS, Coin 98 Ventures, which is huge. Gate.io, Gate.io, another huge. ROMEO Ventures, huge. Solana Capital, huge. Okay, so it's backed. It has strong backing, and it just popped up. So my name is Romeo the Professor. I'm going to enter it heavy, hard, and let's look here. Everything is being confirmed. Your DAO is being confirmed, so that means it's going to be sent. My name is Romeo the Professor. Everything should be sent. Thank you. Follow me, subscribe, share, and this is the coin I'm buying, Cyclos. And right now it's at, this is not Cyclos. Sorry. Let me find it. Cyclos. Right here. That's the coin. It's at $5.76. I am Romeo the Professor. Subscribe, share, follow. Thank you. I'm out.